Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So my dad just got home from work and he showed me this. So I didn't know what's inside it yet, so let's just crack it open and see what's in there. First thing is this box, and inside it seems to be a brand new M&M mug, which my last M&M mug broke, so that's very helpful. Next, we've got an M&M water bottle, which is really cool as well. Next we have an N, an M, an N, an M, an M, an A, and an N off the front of a gardener truck, which someone next took off a gardener truck. So here it is. There's the M, A, and the N. So a really big thank you to MAN for giving me all this stuff in HD Gardener, for asking them for the mug, and I think the water bottle as well. So just to go back over what I got, here's the water bottle, the MAN mug, and obviously the MAN logo on the front of the trucks. So thank you. So today my dad just brought home this from the MAN trade show. I don't really know what that is, but let's have a little look inside and see what we can find. So, we've got to have another mug. There we go. Another mug. Thanks to MAN. Swap a broken one for two new ones. Next we have a cool little MAN pen. It's pretty cool. Does it have anything else? Next we've got, I think this is a notebook. Yeah. It's got the MAN line on it. And we have what specifications you have for the new MAN, which I actually really want to know, so that's good. And big book with a good picture of all the new MANs, and it seems that's got quite a lot of detail in it. So yeah, that would be a good thing to read. And an MAN